Question 8 says the diagram below is an ogive for the mark distribution of a certain grade. And in question A, on the same grid as the ogive, we are required to sketch the histogram, which is basically a bar graph of the actual frequencies in each category. So in order to do that, we are going to read off values from the ogive, which is basically the cumulative frequency, determine the actual frequency in each class, and then draw the ogive accordingly. So if I zoom in to get a better reading of the values, we can see in the first category, between 20 and 30, the ogive goes up to 2. So that means that the actual frequency in that class, 20 to 30, is 2. Between 30 and 40, the ogive goes up to 6, which means the actual frequency in this class had to have been 4. So this bar will be slightly higher than the previous one. Something like that. Between 40 and 50, the ogive goes up to 10, which means the frequency in this category will also be 4. So this bar will be the same as the previous bar in terms of its height. Between 50 and 60, the cumulative frequency goes up to around 15. So the actual frequency in this class is going to be 5. So 5 is slightly higher than 4. So this bar will be a touch higher than the previous one. Something like that. Between 60 and 70, the ogive goes up to 25. So the actual frequency in this category had to have been 10. So 10 we do have precisely on the y-axis, so that could be drawn like this. Between 70 and 80, the ogive goes up to 44 roughly. So the actual frequency in this class is around 19. 19 is a touch under 20. So this bar will be somewhere here, maybe a bit higher. Something like that. Between 80 and 90, the ogive goes up to 104, which means that the actual frequency in this class is 60. So that's quite a big jump. That will be the modal class with the highest frequency, something like that. Then between 90 and 100, the cumulative frequency goes up to the highest point of 140, which means that the actual frequency in that class is 36. So 36 is somewhere here, 4 short of 40. So that'll be the final bar to draw. So this will be what the histogram should look like.